Today I'm doing a Stitch Fix video. They have sent me a bundle of clothes. I do Stitch Fix every now and then. At the end of the video I'll tell you how it works if you're interested, but for the moment let's get straight into the clothes. First up, a Mauvette jumper. Very thick actually. Mauvette's a UK Stitch Fix own brand. This feels very good, very warm, very good quality, and feels like it will hold its shape, and I'm liking the colour of this. Let's see what this one looks like. I love this jumper on me. It's a great colour for my skin complexion. It's a great shape for me. I like the stripe detail. It's got that warmth. I don't feel it's going to lose its shape. I think it's good quality jumper. Very pleased with this one. This is a keeper. And the price of this is £42 at the full price. If I buy it all that they've sent, all 5 items, I get a 20% discount. A dark teal jumper, Editor's Cut, which again is another Stitch Fix own brand. This has got a boat neck, batwing sleeves, and I had said to them I wanted some coloured jumpers because if you saw another video that I'll link up here, I mentioned the fact that I seem to be full of orangey, yellowy, mustardy colour jumpers, so I asked for a colour and they sent this. I find a boat neck not flattering on me. I love the colour, I think the colour's great. My body shape doesn't really suit batwing, it doesn't really suit boat neck. I don't know if you can tell, but I was always told I really needed more V-necks rather than this type of shape. This is too widening across here, it's widening there. You know, I'm petite and 5'2" and a size 10 to 8. So this is really not me. Love the colour though, love the colour, but it's something I'm going to return, and that's the beauty of Stitch Fix. You can return things without a quibble because I haven't even paid for it until I'm checking out. Anyway, keep watching, so I'll show you how to do. This box is actually very heavy on jumpers because there's another jumper, grey V-neck, light grey, and again it's a Stitch Fix own brand, Mauvette. And I do like, Mauvette is a very casual brand, smart casual, and I do like the Mauvette brand from the UK, from Stitch Fix. Mauvette jumper in grey V-neck. I feel it's a bit nothing. It really is a bit nothing. It's also very static. I put it on my hair just when it, well, I mean, I look like I've been touching one of those things you do at school, you know, hold on to a thing and everything goes wild. I went wild. So, yeah, it's very warm and cosy. I feel the colour and the shape is nothing, if you see what I mean. It's nothing. Bland. Bland. So I'll be returning this one. A blouse with sort of beigey, light beigey colour with some dark brown or black spots on it. A Henley neck, which I find very, very flattering. It is 3/4 sleeves and has buttons. So I'm liking the look of this at the moment. This is 41 Hawthorn, which I believe is a US Stitch Fix own brand. So they must have just brought that over to the UK as well, because I see 41 Hawthorn mentioned quite a bit on US Stitch Fix YouTubes. First time I've seen a 41 Hawthorn in the UK. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to do this because it is making a big, big difference to my, my channel. So thanks very much for that. This is the blouse, and I do really like the blouse. I think what's particularly nice is that the lining, the inside of it is not lighter. So when you're cuffing up the sleeve, it's actually the same shade. There isn't any change in depth. I think that's a very good touch. Like the neckline, I can easily do a front tuck with this if I need to. Here we go. Easily do a front tuck. It hangs well. Quite a versatile little blouse. Yeah. Blouse, I think, is good. Very happy with that. And then Editor's Cut jeans. I always find it worthwhile in my boxes to actually look at the jeans. When they put one in, I accept that because to try. Because you're giving your sizes, and I'm 5'2", shopping for jeans is a nightmare for me. So I like the fact that actually they've already got my measurements, my width, my waist, my hips, my legs. So hopefully when I get jeans in the boxes, they fit, and generally they do. Editor's Cut jeans, Stitch Fix own brand again. So all of the items that have come in the box today are Stitch Fix own brands. These jeans are Sam Straight and these are £55. The jeans, I've cuffed them up slightly, but they're good length. They actually are slightly too long for me, but it means that I can cuff them without it being a big bold cuff, because it's actually a small cuff because of the length is not too bad, if you see what I mean. I don't have to cuff up much, so it's not bulky. I have lost half a stone recently, so these feel a bit big on me. Now I don't know if I'll put the weight back on again. So they do feel a bit big. I always need belts anyway, generally need belts. I'm going to try these with a belt and see how that works. So belted, yeah, I like them. I like the fact they're slightly loose straight, which is a much more modern cut. And I did need some more modern cut jeans in my life. So happy with these, and I can cuff them up a bit more to make them more cropped if I need to. The jeans are a size 28, they're £55, which I don't think is a very bad price for a pair of jeans that I think are the right shape for me. Very happy with them. So that's my latest Stitch Fix box. If you want to know how Stitch Fix works, then keep watching. Right, so Stitch Fix comes in a box with 5 items. You can get an email beforehand where they have given you about 10 to choose from, and you can select 5 of that 10 to be delivered to your door. When it's delivered, you do not pay for it until, you haven't paid apart from a £10 styling fee. If you keep anything, one thing from the box, you get your £10 styling fee back. If you keep everything from the box, you get a 20% discount. I'm not keeping everything. Obviously, I'm sending 2 things back. Now, if I was sending only one thing, I would have to work out whether the one thing I'm sending back is less than the discount, because it may be worth keeping it because the discount is greater than the cost of the item that you're sending back. So in my case, the complete box, there's a discount, is £44.60. So if I kept them all, I would get a £44.60 discount. That means that if I were to send back the grey jumper at £39 on its own, I would get £39 back, but I'd lose my £44 discount, so it's not worth sending it back. It would be better to keep it and use it for housework, or donate it to charity or give it to a friend or family. On the other hand, the Batwing jumper is £45 and it's pretty well even Stevens there. Discount of £44. Return for £45, you got £1 better off by sending it back. So you've actually got some maths to do. Because I'm sending 2 things back, and between them, they're obviously about £90, then that's greater than my discount of £44. So yeah, bit of maths. Now you send it back in the box that it came in. They send you a sticky label that you just put it on, and then you just take it down to the post office or Hermes or wherever your drop arrangement is. At checkout, you've got an email. You actually just go through the email, go through all the links, and you just tick the items you're keeping. If you keep anything, you don't have to keep anything. Though if you do keep nothing, you obviously have lost your £10 styling fee. And really it's as simple as that. You don't have to sign up for regular boxes. You could just order a box every now and then. You could just say, I need a box of jeans, please. Because they're doing the styling for you, they're doing the shopping for you, they're finding jeans that are going to fit your body shape because you've given them those details. It's an easy way to shop for jeans or trousers or blouses. If you're going to go to an event, if you want a dress, just send you can just ask for, can I have a box of dresses please for Valentine's or whatever, So it doesn't have to be an assorted box as I've gone for this time. And I did say to them when they sent me the email saying your box is coming soon, anything you want in particular, and I said yes, I'd like a colourful jumper. Sadly, I'm not keeping the colourful jumper because it's just the wrong shape. So that really is how Stitch Fix works. Very simple, very easy, and you're not charged until, well, apart from £10 styling fee, you're not charged until you actually decide what you're keeping. Very simple. And I'll see you now all in an outfit.